Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Sephora savings event sale. I picked up a number of items, just received these boxes. I do have a couple more on the way, so this will be part one of the Sephora savings event. This video is in no way sponsored, but if that's your kind of video, go ahead and grab yourself some coffee, maybe a snack, maybe tea, and get comfortable because we've got some stuff to dive into. Let's get started. So let's begin with this box right here. Quick disclaimer, none of my videos are sponsored. This is honestly just what I picked up for myself. I'm a huge makeup lover and I love sharing it with you guys. So if you enjoyed this video at any time, go ahead and hit that like button. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, especially so you don't miss the next haul. So this is the Smoky Palette by Dior. Oh, it is stunning, you guys. I love this. And of course, on the sale, I had to pick it up. I have quite a few of the Dior compacts like this one. And this just looked beautiful. This is Smoky Essentials. And I felt like with the holidays coming up, you couldn't go wrong with that one. I picked up the Natasha Denona. This is in the Roxa palette. These shades of purple just spoke volumes to me. Oh, the packaging. Oh, you guys, so beautiful. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, stunning. That is beautiful. I knew I would want this palette, and I knew that 20% off for me as a Rouge member made way more sense than just purchasing it because I loved it. So I waited on the sale, and I'm so excited that I picked this one up. It is stunning, you guys. I am so excited about that one. All right, so I also picked up Summer Fridays. This is the most beautiful shade, the Pink Sugar. I have this in a couple other colors. This Pink Sugar to me was so pretty. I just, wanted to see. Ooh, that is pretty. Oh, it's got a nice slip. Very, very pretty. Creamy, looks glossy. Glad I picked Summer Fridays up. So next I picked up the YSL. These are the Lash Clash. This is a 2-set. I feel like this would be an amazing mom stocking or my sister-in-law stocking. But it comes with 2 and I love these. They are super volumizing and beautiful and they stay all day. Huge fan. Glad I got this set. Lancome. This is the Lash Lifting Volumizer Mascara. Lancome does a really good mascara. This one is amazing. So I thought I'd go ahead and pick that up on the sale. I really love mascaras. And while I do like some good drugstore ones, there's some really good high-end ones too. And on the sale, I really love picking those up. Picked up the YSL Waterproof Lash Clash. I'm a huge fan of the waterproof one as well. I feel like during the fall and the spring when I have allergies and my eyes get a little bit more watery and runny because of seasonal allergies, this is amazing. So I had to pick one of these up. And then next I have 3, before we go to the next box, I have 3 of these Natasha Denona lipsticks, you guys. These just spoke to me so much. I had to pick them up and I wasn't sure which color to pick, so I ended up getting all 3 colors. So let's go ahead and swatch these real quick. So the packaging on the Natasha Denona lipsticks are just stunning. Let's see. Oh, that looks beautiful, doesn't it? All right, let's see what this one looks like. This is in the shade Kala. Ooh, that is pretty. So pretty, like a pinky nude. All right, next we have the peony one. Let's see. This one. Ooh, also beautiful packaging there. And then let's see what this color looks like. Ooh, very pretty. Very, very nice. Love that. So far, 2 out of 3. Let's see if we can round it up good with the color Daphne. Packaging is stellar. And Like there's a fuzz right there. Let's grab that. And then Daphne. Those are beautiful neutral shades. I love them. Before I go on to the other box of items I picked up, I did want to let you know that I purchased the Sephora brand Daily Brush Cleaner Spray for my brushes last savings event. I still have about half of this left. It is amazing. I love this. I use this all the time. I wanted to let you know about it during the sale. All Sephora items are 30% off if you're interested. And then these two luminizers are amazing. I picked them up also last savings event, and I'm a huge fan. Having used them for 6 months now, I'm definitely a fan of these gorgeous shades. Let me just swatch these for you. This is in the Sparkling Honey, and I just feel like for 30% off, now's the time to get it if you're interested. I'm so glad I picked mine up on the sale in the spring, and so I did want to mention these in case you're interested, because they're really good, you guys. Really, really good. Ignore my mosquito bite. That happened last night. It's so itchy. So in here, I also did a little bit of damage. Let's start with Christian Dior. I loved this gift set. I thought this would be the most amazing gift. For me, it's going to be a gift to myself. I know, but I really wanted this. Let me show you why. So I wanted the bag. I'll be honest. It is beautiful. And what a lovely way to gift something if you did want to give it away as a gift. But I want this for my purses. I just feel like that would be the perfect little catch-all kind of bag. Maybe a cosmetics bag, or to put my brand new Natasha Denona lipstick. So pretty. But inside here is the most gorgeous. Like it even has the monogram of Dior inside the lining. Super pretty bag. Love the gold and the embroidered Dior on the front. So pretty. And then let's see. I ended up picking up the set that had their mascara. I'm a huge fan. This is the Dior primer, which is so good. And then they're amazing. This is the Dior Show, and in very black. Love their mascara, and also really enjoy the primer. So this was a no-brainer for me. I loved this gift set, and I'm gifting it to myself this time. Love it so much. If you want it, get it during the sale. Save yourself some cash. All right, so next, this to me is beautiful. This is the Fenty Beauty. It's the Glass Balm Swirl. It's the Twisted Lip Luminizer, and it's called Fussy Flex. And I just feel like this would be the most fantastic stocking stuffer, or, you know, also a great gift for yourself. But that is beautiful, you guys. So I thought we could go ahead and swatch this real quick. Has a delicious, juicy dough applicator. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, so nice. Look at that slip. Beautiful. I love that color. It looks gorgeous. Right in time for the holidays, and very excited that I picked this one up. So next I picked up the Huda Beauty. This is the Icy Nude. It's the huge palette, and these cool tones spoke volumes to me. Oh, the packaging. Gosh, that's beautiful. Isn't that amazing? All right, let's see what's inside. See if it's just as amazing as the packaging. Oh, it is. It so is. That is beautiful. Oh, I'm so glad I picked that up. I did kind of go back and forth, not sure if I needed it in my life. I absolutely do, especially for the holidays coming up. Those like kind of silver tones and grays. Oh, they're gorgeous, you guys. All right, I am very happy I picked this one up on the sale. This is the Divine Lip Duo by Laneige, and I just feel like this is such a good value for a stocking stuffer or a gift for someone. It's such a nice little set. I absolutely love it. So it comes with the lip glowy balm and the lip sleeping mask. These are in the peppermint for Christmas time. This is no surprise if you watch my channel. I'm a huge double wear wearer. I love Estee Lauder double wear. It's so good, you guys. It covers, but it looks natural. It doesn't look cakey. It doesn't look like you're wearing makeup, but it covers everything you want it to cover. I always pick up a bottle, whether I necessarily need a refill or not. I just love to have it on standby as a backup. And on the sale, I always enjoy purchasing this one. My shade here is the color Ivory 1-in-1, and I always need a new one for the winter time. And because I picked this one up, I also went ahead and I picked up the pump. It's usually $10, I believe, and then on the sale it takes off 20%, and it's just something I usually like to buy just because I do reuse the pump often, but over time, and at least every 6 months, it gets really gunky and goopy and you kind of want to replace it. Next, I picked up another, what I would say would be an amazing stocking stuffer. I know I would love this in my stocking. This is the Kush Best Buds Lip Duo. It has Green Dragon and Dream Machine. So let's check those out real quick. Okay, so here we have these. Oh, they look beautiful. So these are more like a lip oil, and I'm curious. They don't really have much of a smell. Oh, the slip on that is stunning, you guys. Can you see it? I hope you can see it. Super shiny, super shiny. So, so nice. Let's see what this green one looks like. Nice doe foot applicator. I love that. Oh, it's going to make your lips so gorgeous, shiny, juicy, luscious. Speaking of milk, I also picked this bad boy up. This is another, in my opinion, a great stocking stuffer or gift for someone, or of course, just for yourself. All right, so in here we have 3 of what they're called they're fun size lip faves. We've got the Soul Search and the light pink shimmer. We have Quest in the caramel beige, and then we have Adventure in the lavender shimmer. So let's check those out. Oh, so pretty. What a lovely gift to give someone, right? I think these are stunning. So here's the lavender with, ooh, the doe foot applicator is so nice. Let's see. Ooh, that is pretty, you guys. Super pretty. I hope you can see that. Super pretty. Ooh. All right, so that's the lavender. Here is, oh, this is pretty, I can tell. Oh, look how opaque that is. Oh, it's opaque, but that shine. Lovely. That is beautiful. Like I said, I'm a huge fan of Milk. They just come out with the most amazing things, and they always just surprise me in the best possible way. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Yes, please. I'll take all the shine and all the opaque beauty. Yes, please. Next, we have the Tower 28. This is in the Serum Correction Concealer. I have never tried this, but heard amazing things, and I thought, you know what? Now is the time during the 20% off sale, and so I went ahead and picked this up. I cannot wait to try it out. Here it is. It's the Serum Concealer, and I am so looking forward to it. Let's see. It's kind of a thin sort of applicator there. Ooh, that looks very thin, but very opaque. Okay. I'm very excited to try that. So anyway, so that was my part 1 haul. I emptied out 2 boxes. I have a couple more on the way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, and I'd love it so much if you'd subscribe so I can see you in my next video. Till next time, bye guys.